Put them in the windows, and you'll feel the difference. Your bills will decrease by almost half. This simple and affordable trick will seal your windows without needing a professional. Energy and heating costs are rising at an alarming rate, so it's important to minimize heat loss. It turns out that almost half of the heat that could stay in your home escapes through the windows. To keep the heat, all you need is this simple trick I'm about to show you. Everything you need can be found in your home, specifically in your kitchen. Just grab a dish sponge, which has far more uses than you might think. Start by cutting it into smaller pieces, or cut the sponge into medium-sized strips so they can easily fit into the gaps of your windows. Place these strips between the seal and the window frame, as it's often the faulty seals that cause leaks. You don't need to replace them, just use this trick. Attach the sponge with silver tape at the top and close the window. You'll see that the window seals better and your home will feel warmer. Your windows will shine like never before. You'll be able to admire the world through streak-free windows. For many people, it's like discovering the Holy Grail. For others, this method remains unchanged over the years. You'll learn how to professionally clean windows, using products and items that you probably already have at home. The windows will look like new. Cleaning windows so that there are no streaks on them sometimes seems impossible. Although most people reach for such products, it's not a good choice. They're suitable for cleaning mirrors or shower cabins from the outside. You need this, dishwashing liquid, and this. You'll learn how to use them right away. First, pour plenty of water into a bowl or bucket. Dissolve a few drops of any dishwashing liquid in it. The water shouldn't foam. There should only be a little liquid in it. Clean the windows first with this water. You'll remove all the dirt and dust from them after winter. Remember that it's best to wash windows on a cloudy day. Washing windows in the sun largely contributes to streaks. When the windows are already cleaned from the layer of dust, pour 200 milliliters of vinegar into a spray bottle. Add the same amount of warm water. Literally add a few drops of dishwashing liquid. And add a dozen drops of glycerin. It's available at any pharmacy. Spray the windows with this mixture and wipe them gently with a cloth. Then polish them with ordinary newspapers. Glycerin will leave a protective layer. Thanks to it, dust or dirt won't settle on the window, and water will run off without leaving traces. The scent of vinegar will also discourage insects from sitting on the window, and the newspapers will guarantee that there won't be a single streak on the windows after cleaning. This is how I lowered my bills in winter. Stick double-sided tape to the frame. Then, remove the protective layer and attach the bubble wrap over the entire surface. The bubble wrap acts as an extra layer of insulation, trapping heat inside and protecting against the cold from outside. Not only will you take care of your bills, but you'll also improve the insulation in your home. Instead of throwing it away, place it under your window. Your bills will be lower. Take some aluminum foil from your kitchen and tear off a piece. Press it gently onto the window frame and smooth it out. Once everything's in place, close the window so the foil sticks firmly. It's a quick and effective way to improve insulation, and it'll help lower your heating bills. You'll never have to wipe dust off your windowsill every day again. This simple homemade mixture will make it shine and stay clean for a long time. Dust and dirt often settle on windowsills, but here's how to fix it. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda works as a natural cleaner. It degreases, gently scrubs away dirt, and neutralizes odors. The next ingredient is something you surely have in your kitchen: dish soap. Add 1 teaspoon. It dissolves grease, grime, and dust, leaving the surface clean for longer. Now for natural shine and freshness. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze about 3 tablespoons of juice into the bowl. Lemon is antibacterial, removes limescale and residue, and leaves a beautiful shine. Mix everything well until you get a thick paste. Apply it to the dirty windowsill and rub it into every corner. This paste also works great on window frames, which often collect dust and turn dull. Finally, wipe the surface with a damp cloth. Your windowsills and frames will be shiny, fresh, and protected from dust for weeks. A natural, effective solution that costs almost nothing. Squeeze toothpaste into a bottle, and the results will surprise you. In just a few minutes, you'll create a solution to your problem. Start with a plastic or glass bottle. Squeeze about 2 tablespoons of any toothpaste into it. Then add about 50 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar dissolves deposits, greasy stains, and bacteria while preventing moisture. Finally, pour in warm water to help dissolve the toothpaste and create a uniform mixture. Seal the bottle and shake it well. Your spray is ready. Use it on windows, mirrors, or other surfaces. Wipe with a microfiber cloth for a streak-free shine. This spray works wonders in cars too, especially on interior windows prone to fogging. It removes smudges, reduces fogging, and keeps your surfaces clean. A natural, effective solution for cleaning windows in humid areas, bathrooms, or car interiors. This simple mixture does wonders to eliminate streaks, residue, and moisture issues. Here's how to remove yellow stains and buildup from window frames. This brilliant homemade solution will make cleaning your windows incredibly easy. Let me show you 3 tried and true methods that really work. First, try a mixture of baking soda and water. Baking soda gently whitens, removes discoloration, and dissolves light deposits. Soak a cotton pad in this mix and wipe the window frames. In just moments, the yellow stains and buildup will disappear. For the second method, use baking powder and lemon juice. Baking powder cleans and neutralizes unpleasant odors, while the citric acid in lemon juice brightens and whitens. Apply the paste to frames or sills, scrubbing with a small brush to get into all the hard-to-reach corners. Finish by wiping with a damp cloth. You'll see the difference immediately. The last method is my favorite. Pour a cup of vinegar into a bowl. Vinegar is excellent at dissolving limescale, grease, and streaks. Add a bit of baking soda. It softens dirt and acts as a mild abrasive. When mixed, it will foam up nicely. Spread the foam onto the frames with a sponge. Let it sit for a moment, then wipe clean with a cloth. With these simple homemade tricks, your window frames will look brand new, clean, cheap, and natural. This foam will help you get rid of mold on your windows. In winter, condensation on the glass is a warning sign. Ignoring it can lead to mold quickly developing on the frames and seals. You need to act immediately because mold spreads rapidly, and larger amounts are harder to remove. Moisture, fogged windows, and warm rooms create ideal conditions for its growth, posing serious health risks. You can effectively remove mold from windows without using chemical store-bought products. Fill a spray bottle with vinegar and water in a 1-to-1 ratio. In a small bowl, mix a few tablespoons of baking soda with water to create a foam-like consistency. Apply the foam to the seals and mold-covered areas, then scrub thoroughly with a brush. Next, spray the entire window with the vinegar-water solution and leave it for 15 minutes. Finally, use a microfiber cloth to wipe everything clean. Vinegar combined with baking soda works effectively on mold, doesn't cause allergies, and its smell disappears quickly.